Fuck that.
Good.
I mean, that's DM, man.
Hi guys, I am your fashion LLB and this is
Astha Sethi.
and we are here to break some asses. Beep beep.
Well, we are here to break some stereotypes when you talk about body positivity. Instagram pe when I started following you, I saw so many beautiful comments on your pictures and the replies you give are amazing in the first place. But guys, here we are today और हम आज बात करने वाले हैं about body shaming, about body positivity and about how we feel about ourselves.
Absolutely, that's the key. और इस vlog के through हर बंदा जो ये vlog देख रहा होगा, our entire agenda is that by the end of this video, you should feel good about yourself and continue feeling good about yourself for the rest of your life.
Wow, I hope we are able to sustain that mission that we're talking about, and I hope we're able to achieve what we are saying.
Absolutely, we will be able to do that. So guys, make sure आपने हमारे channel को subscribe किया हुआ है so that you don't miss out on any of the videos. And now that we are starting this vlog, it's very important to break some stereotypes and then talk about it.
Yes, shall
So
we start?
Astha, we should start with you.
Absolutely, okay. I think I have a few things with me, and ये वो वाली चीज़ों के बारे में मैं बात करने वाली हूँ that I have faced in my personal and professional life. Same is with you. So let's start.
Yeah.
So this is hide your scars. Fuck that. This is what people have been telling me. This is the scar I have right here, and so many people tell me कि ऐसे कपड़े क्यों पहनते हो, डीप नेक क्यों पहनते हो, आप थोड़ा ना हाई नेक पहन लिया करो, कैमरा में नजर नहीं आएगा. Fuck all of that. Let's go.
Okay. इसका नैरेटिव देने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. मैं बैठा हूं, मेरी कमर दिख रही है. तो बहुत लोगों ने कमेंट करने की कोशिश की, कमर है या कमरा, जो भी है आपके बाप का क्या जा रहा है.
Wow. Okay, we'll go with the next one. I think this is the most famous narrative. Fat is equal to ugly. I think fat, slim, everything is equal to beautiful.
That is so true.
Yes.
Coming to the next and the most, what do we say, most जो मेरे pictures या videos
Yeah.
पे सबसे ज्यादा comment आता है, that on the contrary people say lose weight, you will look good. Babe, I look good with or without my extra pounds that I have, and I love all of them. So you better lose weight or gain weight so that you can fit into that bullshit criteria of looking
Absolutely.
good.
I
Don't
think
worry about myself.
We got a high five on that. For sure. I get that so much. Okay. The most common one, guys, stop eating. I mean, that's none of your business, right? What I'm eating, what I'm not eating. You care about what you eat, right?
Yeah, you eat whatever you want to eat, and let us eat what we are eating, and by the end of the day it's our body.
Exactly.
And we are the one who are most worried about our bodies, so you don't have to teach us.
Let's go on with you.
Okay, next one is a very personal one, जो लोगों को लगता है उनका अधिकार है
हाँ.
बिना मेरे जेनिटल्स देखे मेरी मर्दानगी पे सवाल उठाने का. Be a man.
Be a man.
Babe, if your idea of being a man is being muscular or that bullshit criteria that you have to be toxic, you have to do all the toxicity
Exactly.
around, the people you are surrounded with, babe, that's not what a definition
Being
of
a man
is. Man is much more than your bullshit idea of being a man. So learn, Google, and you will be able to explore what a man is.
Woohoo! On that note, let us start with today's conversation. I am so excited to be doing this video with you today because जिस चीज में आप believe करते हो उस चीज में मैं believe करती हूँ. And before shooting this video, we talked about a lot of things where we realized कि हमारे thought process align होते हैं, which is why we are here. And it's not just you and me. There are so many people out there who feel the same thing, who've come from the same traumas and stories through their childhood. So we thought, why not do this content and break some stereotypes today?
Absolutely. And on that note, I would like to start. Astha, tell me what is your journey, and just tell your journey, because I know it personally, but I would want people should also know that, despite the fact that we see a beautiful host every now and then, at all these beautiful events, you are all glammed up. There is a life that people don't know, and I would want people should know that beautiful side of Astha.
Of course, why not? So, talking about my profession, if you guys don't know, I work as a presenter, as an anchor. And if you don't know what that is, because apparently a lot of people still don't get what I do. So when you go to events, you see beautiful, pretty women speaking on the stage. That's something what I do. But you know the problem in this industry is कि अब जब आप एक एंकर की तरह काम करते हो या अगर आप एक टीवी प्रेजेंटर हो या आप एक न्यूज रीडर हो तो लोगों को लगता है if she's on the camera she has to be fit, she has to have that perfect body all the time. And in case unfortunately by mistake if you don't have that,
Yeah.
you are fucked for the
You
rest
are
of your
doomed.
बिकॉज लोगों को लगता है कि नहीं इसने स्लीवलेस पहना है, इसकी आर्म्स मोटी लग रही है, इसने स्कर्ट पहनी है, डोंट यू थिंक शी हैज थिक थाइज? And you are like, dude, okay, at the end of the day, you're a woman who's just trying to work, who's trying to build a career of her own, trying to follow her dreams. So at the end of the day, you don't want to be judged on your body because it's more about how you speak, how you're able to connect with your audience. So I think that is what my story is, which has got me here today, creating this podcast with you. कि लोगों को लगता है कि whenever, and it's not just for me, you're a content creator,
Yeah.
you create content, people have that image of you also कि अब ये content create कर रहा है, ये fashion promote कर रहा है तो he has to look perfect in the first
Perfect.
place.
That is so true.
मतलब आप कैसे content create करोगे आप खुद ऐसे दिखते हो तो that's the first thing that comes to your mind, and this is something that I intend to change through this video today.
Okay, that absolutely makes sense. And whatever you stated, I would like to add, one thing, because this is so, I'm sure, you must have had your own highs and lows.
Of course.
बहुत बार ये ब्रांड्स ये नहीं सोचते हैं कि हम वी आर नॉट जस्ट द प्रेजेंटर बट वी आर ऑल्सो द रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ thousands people who
Right.
we are selling our products
Right.
to. And उन thousands of people में a lot of people would be somebody, बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो हमारे बॉडी टाइप से बिलोंग करते हैं.
Right.
Then why is this idea of perfect body or just body of a certain type exists also?
But okay, Gautam, I have a question for you. Now that
Yeah.
you're into fashion also, where do you think this perfect image of having a certain sort of a body comes from? Is it from Bollywood? Is it from apps where brands are promoting very lean figures, 6 feet women with very lean body who probably have 2 apples a day?
Yeah.
Is it from that? कहाँ से आ रही है वो image, and why do people have this idea कि आपको अगर कुछ भी करना है तो आपको बहुत ही perfect body चाहिए उसके लिए?
Okay, I think इसमें MBA वाले लोगों का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है.
Okay, how is that?
So we all know marketing can be a boon, marketing can be a bane. So I see that बहुत बार marketing की बहुत simple strategy होती है, create the fear in the minds of people that they should not look in a certain manner, and if they use these products, these problems will be overcome.
Let's not name the brands. लेकिन
Yeah.
the moment you said it मेरे दिमाग में तो I think 50 ब्रांड ऐसे आ गए हैं जो
Exactly.
सिर्फ इसको प्रमोट करते हैं.
Exactly.
चाहे वो फेयर कॉम्प्लेक्शन हो, परफेक्ट बॉडी हो, वेट लूज करना हो, एनीथिंग.
Yeah.
But that makes a lot of
You
sense.
open all the advertisements, everything, it is all surrounded with perfection.
Yeah.
And हम उस perfection में इतने पागल हो जाते हैं कि हम अपनी लाइफ की रियलिटी भूल जाते हैं, and we are after that perfection इतनी बुरी तरह से कि हम जो आज है उसे एंजॉय नहीं
कर पा रहे हैं.
एंड मार्केटिंग की जो एक पॉलिसी होती है ना, ये आज से नहीं है, बहुत साल पहले से है.
Okay.
And we are doomed into that what do we say, the idea of marketing हमने इतना पर्सनली ले लिया है. ब्रांड ने अपना नया प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च कर दिया लेकिन हम अपने उसी पुराने वेरिएंट पे अटके हुए हैं. So we need to upgrade our variant, and ठीक है, looking a certain body type can make you feel more confident, which is absolutely okay to feel more confident if you think that reaching to that particular body type can make you feel more confident.
Yeah.
But the fact that you are cursing your body daily because
True.
you aren't that body, or maybe you're not able to achieve your dream body, is a very wrong thing.
That is so true.
Because there are so many factors involved. बहुत बार heredity होती है, बहुत बार आपका एटमॉस्फेयर होता है, बिकॉज बहुत बार आपकी मेंटल हेल्थ होती है. देयर आर सो मेनी इंटररिलेटेड फैक्टर्स इन्वॉल्व्ड कि लोगों को लगता है अरे इफ दिस पर्सन इज फैट he is ugly, if this person is fat he cannot be on camera,
he can't be confident, he can't do anything in life just because he's fat. Like what is the logic?
People have like most bullshit logics of if this person is too lean, too fat, too dark skinned. So this taboo exists everywhere.
But I hope कि हमारी इस conversation से ये चीज नहीं निकल के आ रही that we are promoting being lazy or not working out or going to the gym.
Not. हम अपने stories पे, I'll start with you. What is your daily schedule and how much time do you devote to your body and your soul?
I think I don't focus on that too much because I feel कि अगर आप हर रोज 1 घंटा अपनी बॉडी को दे रहे हो, जिम जा रहे हो या किसी भी तरीके की एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो, वो फॉर साइकिलिंग, स्विमिंग, एनीथिंग आउटडोर that you feel like, I think that's enough if that what you feel your body is. But मेरे हिसाब से वर्कआउट करने का एजेंडा ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि यार आई वांट टू लुक अ सर्टेन वे, यार मेरे को तो बस पतले होना है, मुझे लीन होना है। आप वर्कआउट भी कर रहे हो, आप कैलोरी डेफिसिट पे भी चले गए हो, आप खाना भी नहीं खा रहे हो। आई थिंक द एजेंडा ऑफ गोइंग टू द जिम और डूइंग एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ एक्सरसाइज शुड बी दैट even when you're 70 years old, you don't have to have a stick to walk. या आपको किसी के सहारे की जरूरत नहीं पड़ रही, और your गोडे are fine, your joints are fine, you're not dependent on anybody. आप पूरा टाइम बैठे नहीं रह रहे हो, just to make your body healthy, active and fit. I think
That is
that's the
so
only reason why I work out, and I do it every day. I wake up in the morning. The first thing is I go to the gym. चाहे मैं उसमें 40-45 minutes basic exercise भी कर रही हूँ, but it's only with the agenda that my body needs to be fit and fine, and that's very important. Like you look at so many fit people who are so lean, and yet they will not be able to work out and lift as
That's
much
so
weights.
true.
बहुत फर्क होता है इन चीजों का.
एंड आई थिंक पीपल डोंट रियलाइज ये परफेक्ट बॉडी का गेम इतना ज्यादा हो गया है. And then you would not believe, I can show the chats of my ex gym trainer texting me that why don't you take steroids to make your body?
What are
You look so
saying?
ugly right now. I mean, can you believe? And he
Your
told me,
trainer is asking you to take
yeah,
steroids.
and he is saying कि do you think that I have a perfect body? I mean, in his
हाँ.
context, he's saying कि तुमको क्या लगता है मेरी बॉडी परफेक्ट है, मैंने भी steroids खा के एक
लेके
हफ्ते में
बनाई
abs
है.
निकाल लिए. And I'm like, are you serious? And then you
Oh my
are
God.
you are calling me fat for not taking steroids, and
Steroids.
you are feeling so cool about it by taking steroids and
Oh my God.
damaging your own organs.
Wow.
एंड परफेक्ट बॉडी का आइडिया इतना बेवकूफी है, मतलब आई वुड लिटरली से इट्स बेवकूफी. आप अपने क्लीन ईटिंग पे ध्यान दो, अपने फिजिकल वर्कआउट पे ध्यान दो, अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ पे ध्यान दो, एंड यू विल बी देयर. You
I
will be
know.
there, but don't work कि आपको एक ही बॉडी टाइप चाहिए.
Exactly. I know
Everyone
so many
has
people, so many girls, so many women, especially, I mean, I know so many people in my own circle, जिनको अगर आपको weight lose करना है तो उनको लगता है बस मैं ना खाना बंद कर दूंगी, रोटी चावल सब्जी मैंने सब कुछ बंद कर दिया, I'm only surviving on fruits and vegetables. But what you're not seeing is कि उसके consequences in the long run में क्या होने वाले हैं.
Exactly.
How is that going to? Imagine you're a woman, you have to have a baby in a few years, maybe
Yeah.
once you're 30. How will you sustain a whole human being inside you if you're not eating in your 20s? This is something जो मेरे दिमाग के बाहर है, मुझे समझ नहीं आ पाती है ये बात. So even if I'm fat or even if I'm slightly overweight, I would prefer being that and healthy over being somebody who's very patla and somebody who has a very unfit body and an unhealthy body जो sustain ही ना कर पाए in the long run.
ऑल्सो इसमें मैं एक चीज ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि आई एम टायर्ड दैट फैट को एक बहुत नेगेटिव कॉनोटेशन में यूज किया जाता है.
Yeah.
Like the moment we hear fat is a very
Ugly.
negative
Fat is
connotation.
ugly. Yeah.
And if you see, we all need a certain fat percentage to survive.
Imagine.
And then we are so much after cutting fat. See, I believe in just one agenda. Excess of anything is
It's
harmful.
bad. True.
May it be excess of eating, excess of workout can also be harmful.
It can also be bad.
Excess of anything is harmful, and life is all about balance.
Yeah.
So why are we looking fat always from a very negative approach?
Yeah.
The moment we say fat, we feel that okay, this is something I don't want to
I
be.
don't want to be.
Yeah. It's something like वो अछूत वाली बीमारी हो गई है to call some to this word is a taboo.
I
Fat.
love how you have put it. Really,
Yeah.
I mean, this is a very new perspective for me also, because in my mind it was also like I'm scared of being fat. I don't want to be
Yeah.
fat, but I didn't realize कि fat का मतलब actually में कुछ और होता है.
Exactly.
Fat का मतलब मोटा तो नहीं होता. There is so
Exactly.
many angles to it.
Yeah, and honestly, जो लोग फैट से दूर भागते हैं, let me tell you, the law of manifestation, the law of gravity universe attracts that thing that you don't want in your life.
Oh my god.
If you guys believe, जो चीज पे आप बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करोगे वो आपको लाइफ में नहीं मिलेगी, बट जो चीज आप नहीं मेहनत करते हो बहुत
जिससे आप भागते हो
वो
और
ऑटोमेटिकली
पीछे
आ जाती है.
That is so true.
That may be your ex also.
I'm keeping my fingers crossed for this.
So,
but okay, Gautam, tell me. I know you as your Instagram follower till now. Then we became friends. But then so many people out there, we know that you promote body positivity. You really believe in it, and then you promote things related to that. लेकिन ये कहाँ से आया? मतलब where has this come from? What is your story like? I know there can be so many layers to it that we don't even have the time to unlayer everything in this video. But just in a crux, if you can tell us कि वो चीज कहाँ से आ रही है and who has made you this person which everybody is seeing right now?
I think ये सबके साथ बहुत relatable होगा.
Okay.
I have got rejection on a personal level. प्रोफेशनल लेवल, क्योंकि प्रोफेशनल भाई हम कैमरा के आगे हैं तो हमें तो एकदम सिक्स पैक एब्स होने हैं, हमारी तो वो चिजल्ड जॉ लाइन होनी है, वरना तो हम कैमरा के आगे आने के लिए एलिजिबल ही नहीं है। लेकिन ब्रांड्स आर ओके इफ अ पर्सन ऑफ 3XL 4XL इज वेयरिंग देयर प्रोडक्ट्स, बट नो, वी वांट अ मॉडल विद 28 कमर। वी ओनली हैव दैट आइडिया कि हमारा मॉडल 28 कमर वाला ही होना चाहिए, भले हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स चाहे 5XL 7XL तक हैं, बट नहीं, हमें वही दिखाना है, दैट परफेक्ट आइडिया। एंड आई फील इफ द ऑडियंस is of all the body types, then why the marketing is just for one body type?
Again, the MBA thing that you talked about initially. Yeah.
And that's where it clicked that मुझे ना हमेशा से bullying face की गई, and my entire life all the conversation was around my body. गौतम इतने पतले हो गए, अब तो बीमार लग रहे हो। गौतम इतने मोटे हो गए, तुम पहले ही ठीक थे।
चाहे वो फैमिली हो, फ्रेंड हो,
एग्जैक्टली एनीवन, आई मीन लाइक फैमिली फिर भी आपके लिए पिलर खड़ी रहती है, वो आपको
they tell you the good things,
yeah, I mean like I'm grateful that my family that way has been supportive, क्यों बोलते हैं यार छोड़ो ना, घर आयो, खाना खाओ, चिल करो। बट many a times I hate this idea of जो लोग खुद रात में 4-4 बजे तक बार्स पे पड़े हैं, वो मुझे ज्ञान दे रहे हैं। मेरे पता है कमेंट सेक्शन में क्या होता है, बर्गर पिज्जा सारा दिन खाएगा तो ऐसा नहीं होगा तो कैसा होगा।
Are you serious?
I am very serious about it. And then इतने हेट कमेंट्स कॉन्स्टेंटली आने के बाद I was like fuck you guys, let me be me. तुम लोग के सामने अच्छा करो तो भी सुनना है, बुरा करो तो भी सुनना है, तो इससे अच्छा वही करता हूँ जो मेरा करने का। Exactly. And that's where I decided that okay, बॉडी पॉजिटिविटी का मतलब बहुत अलग तरह से लोग ले सकते हैं। लोगों को लगेगा बी लेजी, बी डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट,
वर्कआउट मत करो, कुछ मत करो।
बट आई मेड श्योर कि एवर सिंस आई बिकेम वोकल ऑन बॉडी पॉजिटिविटी, मैंने अपनी स्टोरीज पे भी योगा डाला है। आई हैव मोटिवेटेड पीपल टू गेट आउट ऑफ देयर बेड्स एंड डू समथिंग फॉर देयर बॉडी। बट माय आइडिया इज कि अपने बिस्तर से उठ के आपको कोई परफेक्ट बॉडी अचीव नहीं करनी है। डू इट फॉर योर बेटर मेंटल हेल्थ, एंड आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव इफ योर मेंटल हेल्थ इज इंटैक्ट,
everything is sorted in
everything is sorted। आपकी लाइफ की आधी बीमारियां फिजिकल नहीं मेंटल होती हैं, स्पेशली हमारे एज ग्रुप में। हमें लगता है, और मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स ना हमारी मेंटल हेल्थ ही रीजन होती है हमारी फिजिकल इलनेस
के लिए, राइट।
सो माय आइडिया वाज दैट my entire idea of workout is 80% of mental health and 20% the auto consequence will come on my physical health also.
That is
and
so
that's
true.
my approach.
That is so true.
Okay, Asta, so I would like to ask you that being in front of the camera, the corporate world is also a cruel world, right?
Of course.
They will always put you and give you certain labels for abiding to your work and things like that. So have you ever felt that you have been bullied at your workplace for being a certain body type, or for your scars, or that somebody telling you are not perfect for being in front of the camera?
Yeah, I mean, as I mentioned in the starting, अगर आपका एक मेरे जैसा प्रोफेशन है, if you are a host, you have to behave a certain way. That's what people think. आपके सामने कोई भी गेस्ट आ जाए, वो कितनी ही बेकार बातें क्यों ना कर ले, उसको कोई जज नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि वो तो गेस्ट है यार। लेकिन अगर आप होस्ट हो तो आपके बाल भी परफेक्ट होने चाहिए, आपका मेकअप ऑन पॉइंट होना चाहिए, आपके कपड़े परफेक्ट होने चाहिए। इफ आई वेयर समथिंग लाइक दिस ऑन एनी ऑफ माई प्रोफेशनल वीडियो, आई एम सो श्योर कि मुझे इस पे कमेंट आएगा कि अरे आपकी चेस्ट पे क्या हुआ है। इफ यू गाइस गो टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड स्टार्ट रीडिंग द कमेंट्स दैट आई गेट देयर आर, आई मीन, हर वीडियो पे 4 से 5 कमेंट्स यू विल फाइंड कि अरे वहां पे क्या हुआ, अरे वो मार्क, अरे ये आपको लग गई थी। पीपल आर शोइंग सिंपैथी टुवर्ड्स मी, and I'm like, what is wrong with you guys? These are my scars, and I love them because these scars make me who I am today. So I don't care if I have a mark on my arm, on my face, on my chest, or anywhere, because these are my scars and they just make me feel all the more stronger. Luckily, India has sort of इतना आगे बढ़ चुका है कि मुझे कभी किसी मेरी कंपनी ने नहीं बोला कि आप ऐसे कपड़े पहनो या यू शुड नॉट ड्रेस अप लाइक दैट। बट बिकॉज मेरा काम सारा कैमरा के आगे होता है, तो उस पर कॉमेंट्स आते रहते हैं कि अरे यार आप हाई नेक पहन लो, आपने डीप नेक पहना है, आपके ऊपर वाला बटन खुला है, तो वहां पे ऐसा मार्क दिख रहा था। विच इज इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस, व्हाई आर यू स्टेयरिंग एट मी? उस जगह पे आप देखिए क्यों? आप शक्ल देखो ना यार, मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, आप वहां जा क्यों रहे हो?
Honestly, people
have the audacity
exactly
to say it. Imagine.
मतलब ना यार, जितना भी कर लो, कहीं ना कहीं मतलब आपने हमारा रेज्यूमे हमारे टैलेंट बेसिस पे देखा था या हमारा बस
Exactly.
रेज्यूमे में जो छोटा फोटो लगा था उसी पे ध्यान दिया था?
So there is
उस
so much
पासपोर्ट
you
साइज फोटो में
get.
आपको दिखा ऐसा क्या?
Exactly. So much you get, and you know, छोटी मोटी कंपनीज में चल जाता है. But imagine you're going for a very big project. Say you want to host some sports tournament. I would not name any brand, but अगर आप उसमें जाना चाहते हो जहाँ पे national TV पे आप आ रहे हो, they would not hire you. And that is a very sad reality because उनका, चलो आप कैसा बोलते हो वो क्राइटेरिया तो है ही है, लेकिन आपकी हाइट कितनी है? अब हाइट का तो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते हैं यार, वो तो भगवान ने जो
Exactly.
दिया है वो दिया है. एक पॉइंट चलो लड़कियों के केस में यू आर लकी बिकॉज यू कैन वेयर इवन 6-8 inches heels also.
Yeah.
But how your body looks, how your arms are, how your thighs are, how much your tummy is also as important as how you speak.
Yeah.
What is the point of being a host? Hire a model.
Yeah.
जब आपने सिर्फ बॉडी ही देखना है, ये सब देखना है, तो आप
Exactly.
मैं क्या करूँ अपने बोलने का?
अचार डाल दो।
अचार डालूं मैं? मैंने 8 साल लगा दिए यार इसमें काम करने वाला, आप मुझे बोल रहे हो नहीं यार आप ना, तो यू आर अ लिटिल ऑन द हेवियर साइड.
Yeah.
Fuck that. मैं कहाँ जाऊँ?
बातें इनको पूरी हैवी चाहिए,
बातें पूरी heavy
कंटेंट
चाहिए.
हैवी चाहिए,
इंटेलिजेंट चाहिए, इंटेलेक्चुअल चाहिए. शी शुड आस्क द राइट
Spontaneous
क्वेश्चन,
होना चाहिए.
स्पॉन्टेनियस, ह्यूमरस, एंड शी शुड नॉट फंबल. टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर अच्छे से पढ़ना आना चाहिए. गुड ड्रेसिंग सेंस होनी चाहिए. शी शुड बी पेशेंट एंड शी शुड हैव अ वेरी हॉट बॉडी एज वेल.
Yeah.
बट अगर मेरे लिए हॉट की डेफिनेशन वही है जो मैं अभी हूँ, तो उसमें मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ?
That is so true. ये hot word, guys, hot तो सूरज भी है.
हॉट तो
ये बहुत
फिलहाल
lame था, but the fact is that I
I
feel
know.
hot like this. I feel hot
That's
as
what
hell.
I'm saying.
Yeah. So why that that perfect rush के कमर is that
Yeah.
hot bullshit thing?
I swear, and I think social media, as much good it has done to us, इसने इस चीज को इतना ज्यादा प्रमोट करा है, द आइडिया ऑफ परफेक्शन एंड परफेक्ट बॉडीज. आई इमेजिन जब हम लोग छोटे थे, हम 14-15 साल के थे, जब इतना इंस्टाग्राम नहीं आया था, we love the way we look.
Exactly.
मुझे लगता था कि मैं करीना कपूर लगती हूँ सही में, और मे बी दीपिका पादुकोण, because I had a dimple like her.
Okay.
And I genuinely felt that. I loved my body so much. But as soon as the social media came in, I started scrolling and looking at pictures. और फिर मैंने देखा यार इन लोगों की फोटो पे तो बड़े लाइक्स आ रहे हैं, इनके तो बड़े फॉलोअर्स हैं, और मुझे
क्योंकि
समझ
इनकी
नहीं
ऐसी
आता.
एक बॉडी है,
Yeah.
वो बॉडी ऑफ सर्टेन टाइप.
Yeah, and उस चीज को भी अब 7-8-10 साल हो गए हैं कि it has embedded in our minds and our soul so much that we only feel कि यार आप अच्छे सिर्फ तभी लगोगे अगर आपकी एक ऐसी बॉडी है, अगर आप अपने आप को ऐसे कैरी करते हो. Fuck the personality. मतलब बाकी सब तो गया बाहर में, कोई बात नहीं, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. इंसान कितना अच्छा है कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But it's all about social media पे आपको क्या दिखा रहे हैं.
fucking true that हमारी entire life हमारी bodies के surround
Imagine.
करती है, and then फिर भी हम रोते ही रहते हैं अपनी bodies को लेके.
Imagine, and the world is so huge, there is so much to offer.
And to add up,
Yeah.
जो ये लोग अक्सर आपको कमेंट देते हैं कि आप थोड़ा यहाँ तक कर लो,
हाँ.
या आप ऐसे नहीं वैसे कर लो.
हाँ.
आपने क्या अपनी बॉडी कभी देखी है क्या? आप दूसरों की बॉडी पे आपको लगता है मेरा तो ये अधिकार है, जन्म
अधिकार
से
है.
क्या आपने अपने ऊपर आईना फरमाया है? आप अपनी इनसिक्योरिटीज प्लीज दूसरों पे थ्रो मत करो. अगर आपको लगता है आप काफी कॉन्फिडेंट हो अपनी बॉडी में, तो सामने वाला भी अपनी बॉडी में उतना ही
Exactly.
कॉन्फिडेंट हो सकता है.
And I think to each its own. If you like
Correct.
doing something, and I totally appreciate what you are doing on Instagram, because it's not just promoting fashion, it is promoting fashion on a normal body. The way
Exactly.
people look. आप इंडिया में जाओगे, we don't stay in the US where everybody looks perfect.
And
वहाँ
US
पे भी सब
also
नहीं है.
has a lot
Yeah.
of plus size people.
Obviously, but things are normal there. We stay in a
Yeah.
country जहाँ पे ये एक normal body है, ये एक
हाँ.
normal body है. This is how people are. And इसमें healthy, unfit, वो सारी एक अलग conversation है. But what you're doing on your social media is you're telling people that even if this is how you look, this is amazing, this is pretty, this is beautiful, and this is how you can dress up and feel confident by doing it.
Exactly, because
लेकिन
दुनिया ने आपको काफी बुली किया हुआ है. आप बच्चे नहीं हो.
brands ने आपके लिए कुछ रखा नहीं है.
हाँ, ब्रांड्स को चाहिए वही परफेक्ट कटआउट हो.
वही.
आपको मॉडल चाहिए या कंटेंट क्रिएटर चाहिए?
I swear.
एंड आप चाहते हो आपके प्रोडक्ट सारे बॉडी टाइप्स पहने. अगर आपको लगता है आपको बस मॉडल वाला ही साइज रखना है, तो बस एम साइज ही बनाओ.
Exactly.
बाकी साइजेस आप प्रोड्यूस भी क्यों कर रहे
XS
हो?
बनाओ, M बनाओ, S बनाओ. अपनी
और
game
I
खेलो
am
उसमें.
sorry to say this is a very bad thing. अभी there is a brand, I'll not take the name
Yeah.
again. अब उनको लगा कि हमें थोड़ा वोक बनना है, then they chose a dark skinned girl and
अच्छा.
make her
Yeah.
the brand ambassador. I'm
Yeah.
sure you know what brand I'm talking
Okay.
about. इसी तरह से ऐसे बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स हैं जो बस एक मार्केटिंग के लिए बीच में अचानक
बस
से आ जाते
करने
हैं, हाँ
के लिए
प्लस
they
साइज
do it.
करते हैं.
नहीं, but I think it's
But
about
it's a cause that should be there forever. It's not a
Exactly.
phase. It's not like
Yeah.
it's not कि बस हाँ ये आज है कल नहीं रहेगा.
Right.
And we have glorified this thing so much कि okay I shredded 30 kgs, 50
Wow.
kgs. Good
you did that.
you did that. But हर किसी का agenda life में वो नहीं है. And
जिनका
please
नहीं है,
respect that thing also. हाँ, I get it when people say you know these can also cause you a lot of diseases.
Right.
That I totally buy.
Of
उसमें
course.
no doubt.
No
you know,
doubts about that. I will always say कि अपना BMI चेक करो और उसमें देखो आपका कितना ओवरवेट है. एंड ओवरवेट होना इज नॉट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ स्ट्रेस और ईटिंग, इट कैन बी बिकॉज ऑफ मल्टीपल प्रॉब्लम्स आल्सो.
Absolutely.
लड़कियों में PCOD है, PCOS है, वो प्रॉब्लम से भी आप वेट गेन करते हो. देयर इज ऑलवेज अ सोल्यूशन टू इट. You go to some specialist who gives you treatment for that. आप उसको करो. We are not promoting obesity per se, क्योंकि उससे डायबिटीज भी होती है, उससे बहुत
course,
तरीके की
of
प्रॉब्लम्स भी होती है. We're not talking about that. What we are talking about is people bullying people who don't look perfect. That is the whole problem, and that is what I have been facing.
And again, nobody is perfect.
Absolutely.
I mean, like अगर आप आस्था को कुछ भी बोलते हो, आप पहले अपने अंदर झांक के देखो कि आपके अंदर क्या खामियां हैं और पहले अपने ऊपर काम कराओ. और अगर उन पे काम कर भी लो तो भी आपको ये राइट नहीं मिलता है कि आप किसी पे भी कमेंट पास करो. अपनी लाइफ में ध्यान दो.
That's why I said to each its own. आप अपना, I mean, सब खुशी से क्यों नहीं रह सकते?
Yeah.
You stay happy खुद से, दूसरों के लिए खुश हो, उनको encourage करो, उनको promote करो, no matter what they are doing. Like both of us have collaborated for this
Yeah.
video, and it's just so nice that we believe in the same things. We are spreading this. अब इस पे भी क्या पता, इस पे भी हेट कमेंट्स आने शुरू हो जाएंगे. देखो दोनों लोग कैसी कैसी बातें कर रहे हैं. इनको बोलो जाके जिम जाओ पहले.
सबको पता नहीं जिम भेजने की क्या एक्साइटमेंट है. और ये जिम पता है कौन भेज रहे हैं? जो अपने घर पे बैठे हैं ऐसे फोन चला रहे हैं. जिम जाओ, पहले खुद जाओ, अपने कुछ अपने लिए करो, फिर ज्ञान दो. एंड ऑन अ बेसिस ऑफ 30 seconds reel you feel that you have the entire right to judge my lifestyle.
Imagine. They don't even know you. They've just seen you virtually. और वो बैठ के
Exactly.
they have the audacity to comment on your videos के जिम जाओ, खाना
हाँ,
कम खाओ.
हाँ.
Who are you?
आप डाइटिशियन हो? सर्टिफिकेट दिखाओ अपने.
Oh God.
And I am tired of this, you know, promotion of perfect bodies.
Alright, so now we'll move forward. बहुत सारी बातें कर ली हैं हमने about body positivity, but we have something very interesting for all of you and for both of us as well. We've created this short game which is rapid fire. आपने बहुत बार देखा होगा. इसमें क्या होने वाला है? I'm gonna ask him 5 questions quickly, and you will have
Done.
just 1 second, okay?
Done.
इससे ज़्यादा time नहीं लेना.
Done.
And he will ask me 5 questions, and everything is gonna be about body image, body positivity.
ये पहला रैपिड फायर होगा,
हाँ.
which is not about celebs,
I swear.
perfect lives, but it's about our bodies.
It's about our bodies.
It's about us.
Yes. It's about what we believe in. And
Yeah.
so, पता है मुझे ना अंदर से अच्छा लग रहा है ये करके. Okay, let's start.
Done.
I'll go first. You'll go first.
You go first.
ठीक है. So all set?
Done.
I hope you guys are ready as well. Okay. First thing that comes to your mind when you look at yourself in the mirror.
Heart. PHAT. Pretty hot and tempting.
Pretty hot and tempting. Oh God, I love that character from that movie. Okay, the next one. This is a slightly personal one.
Okay.
A follower that always supports you on Instagram.
Her name is Snow Crafty.
Okay.
Himani. So I remember that, you know, every time I post something, her comments are so nice, and you know it makes me feel so encouraged about
Yeah.
what I do, and I feel like that, you know, I don't have to stop because Himani will
Oh,
comment
sweet.
on my next
Oh my
post.
God.
So you know
So-
it gives me a personal touch
Himani,
with
if
my
you're
followers.
watching this, we have to send you a gift.
Yeah,
भेजना पड़ेगा.
done.
She
done.
supported you so much. Just if you're watching this, so put your address.
She does
and
a lot
everything.
of customized gifts for her. You know, she has a small store.
Oh.
So I think it's time that
So
the
फिर
tables
what
can
will
be
you gift
turned.
her if she only has so many gifts? But definitely we can have a very nice giveaway for you if you're watching this.
Absolutely.
Put your address down there.
Himani will watch this because she is a very ardent
How
follower
sweet.
of mine.
How sweet. We need more followers like that. Okay, the next one. If your body could talk to you right now, what will it say to you?
Ki hey asshole, stop cursing the way you have cursed your body for 25 years. Now it's your time. जा बॉडी जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी.
Just be who you
जा
are.
गौतम जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी.
Okay. One celebrity that you feel is the epitome of self-love.
Hands down Rakhi Sawant. The
Oh,
way
yes.
she carries herself. मतलब मेरे लिए ना वो है कि भाई वो मीडिया की जो
हाँ.
बेटी वाला उसका कैरेक्टर है ना, आई लव दैट यू नो द वे शी
Yeah.
ओन्स हरसेल्फ. सी एवरीबडी, नोबडी इज परफेक्ट, एंड द वे शी सेज कि ओके हाँ मैं हूँ जाहिल गवार,
हाँ.
आई एम दिस, मैं हूँ
Wow.
घाटी, आई एम
The
दिस
way she
पर्सन.
expresses herself.
And I love this thing
हाँ.
about her that you know she is very, वो जो बोलते हैं ना अपनी जमीन से जुड़ा kind of
हाँ,
person.
grounded,
हाँ,
rooted,
I
yes.
mean, so I like people who are very
Yeah.
rooted. वो चाहे जिस भी particular area से belong करते हैं,
हाँ.
but she is that person.
And she's so transparent, so unfiltered that is the
Yeah.
beauty of her. That's what you
Yeah.
admire about her.
Yeah.
Now that you say it, मैं
Yeah.
realize कर रही हूँ. Yeah.
And sometimes वो लोगों के सामने वो भी उनको please भी करती है, like these big celebs. I enjoy her thoroughly. Like, you know,
Yeah.
she is that one celebrity. Every time I feel that you know, okay, I'm not in a good phase or not in a good state of mind. एक वर्ड के आंसर को मैंने कितना डिस्क्रिप्टिव बना दिया.
No, but it's actually very thoughtful when you think of it.
Yeah, but you know, people always think Rakhi Sawant from a very negative perspective.
Yeah.
But if you look from a positive perspective, उस बंदी की लाइफ में इतने fuck ups होते हैं.
हाँ.
अब वो नहीं पता है कितना सच है, कितना
हाँ.
कैमरे के लिए है. But heads off to her. उसने जिस तरह से you know
Yeah.
हर चीज को publicize किया है और
किया
बेचा है.
हाँ, that is so true.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the last one. A food that describes your personality.
Loki is my favorite.
Because you are
Vegetable.
Loki. Okay, that is so
Loki.
funny. but yeah, what?
But I just like क्योंकि इसमें बहुत सारा water content होता है.
हाँ.
And I just like Loki because I feel Loki is a very underrated or very
That is true.
depleted sabzi what
It's
we
very
have.
tasty also.
Yeah,
काफी
it's
लोगों
so
को नहीं
tasty.
पसंद.
लोगों को Loki के कोफ्ते, मुझे तो boiled Loki भी. I
हाँ.
like Loki in almost every form.
And juices also, उसमें भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
So, if you are Loki, try Loki. Okay, it's
now.
my turn. Now let's ask Astha a few questions, and you have to answer within like 2 seconds.
Okay, I have an extra second.
One song that makes you feel beautiful about yourself.
Beautiful about myself. Pretty woman.
Pretty woman.
देखो
दो लाइन से
ना,
बता दो.
Pretty woman. Yeah, that's just because उस गाने में ना बहुत ही प्यार से एक लड़की की ब्यूटी को डिफाइन किया हुआ है. And I can just relate to it a lot. Maybe that's why.
मेरे दिमाग में भी एक सॉन्ग आया.
What is it?
तू है तो फिर क्या तू है तो मुझे फिर और क्या चाहिए.
Yeah, that's
That's
very
a good song to
That's a
dedicate
good song.
yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. A celebrity that inspires you to love yourself.
Sushmita Sen and Priyanka Chopra, both of them. They're so confident and the things that they believe in, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बस मैं भी उन्हीं चीजों में believe करती हूँ. It's a short one, so I won't go on.
No, but you can because I mean I could relate because
Yeah.
you know when the moment you say Sushmita Sen, आज
Yeah.
भी Sushmita Sen is that one person जो मेरे
हाँ.
अगर रील सेक्शन में आई ना,
हाँ.
मैं स्क्रॉल कर ही नहीं सकता हूँ.
कर ही नहीं सकते आप, you can't ignore.
और वो वीडियो आपने 500 बार भी देखी होगी that you know her mom stitched वो
हाँ,
टेलर और वो गाउन,
yeah.
but you will still watch that
Yeah,
video.
I think it's the same with Priyanka Chopra as well. Both of them
Yeah.
coming from small towns and doing so much being females. उनको कितना criticism मिला है, कितना hate मिला है, especially back in 1990s and 80s.
Yeah.
जब वो लोग pageants के लिए गए थे, उस टाइम पे लड़कियां करती भी नहीं थी ये सब कुछ. That was the time जब उन्होंने करा. They reached a certain stage. सुष्मिता सेन ने 2 लड़कियां adopt करी हैं. She has 2 daughters now that she is adopted. I think that's just so beautiful in itself. And same as with Priyanka Chopra. I
Absolutely.
love both of them.
Okay, next question. A color that describes your personality.
Black. Everything's black.
Too predictable. Least toxic social media platform which allows you to be who you are.
LinkedIn, because finally my work is respected there. वहाँ पे कोई ये नहीं कहता कि आप ऐसे दिखते हो, आप ऐसे दिखते हो. वहाँ पे मुझे engagements मिलती हैं. वहाँ पे people वो ऐसे ताली बजाने वाला वो emoji
Celebrate करते हैं.
Yeah, they celebrate and they only celebrate what you do, your talent, your work, where you're actually valued. I get work from LinkedIn. Instagram पे सिर्फ hate मिलता है mostly. But I think LinkedIn is a platform where you feel like you're recognized.
Okay, last one. Your favorite part of your body.
I think that's going to be my face because I've been told that I have a very pretty smile.
You have.
Thank you.
Validated. You're not required,
मिल
but
गई validation.
validated.
मुझे चाहिए नहीं थी मुझसे बच्चा लोग. So yeah, I think that would be my face.
Okay, so that was the rapid fire round, and now we'll move to the next segment.
Okay.
Cut. So, Astha, there is one thing that I really promote.
Okay.
That is to stay hydrated. Water is the most underrated thing. What we
Underrated drink, I guess.
yeah, and I think we all should drink a lot of water. So there is a game.
It's called Take a Sip.
मैंने इतना भाषण दिया पानी पे कि मैं गेम का नाम ही भूल गया.
So the game is called Take a Sip. जैसे कि एक तरह से Never Have I Ever होता है, कुछ उस
हाँ.
टाइप की ही गेम है. What will happen is that both of us will ask each other a few questions. In case you are interested, you also just go, hurry up, grab a glass of water and play this game with us. It's so
Absolutely.
exciting.
पॉज कर लो वीडियो को. हम नहीं रुकने वाले हैं. तुम्हारे पास पॉज करने का ऑप्शन है.
तो जल्दी से जाओ, पानी का ग्लास लेकर आओ. Let's play this game together and it's very interesting.
And you will have 10 questions for this.
Yes. We'll start with you.
And we'll go one by one this time.
One by one? Okay, cool. मैं पहले खोल के रख लेती हूँ. All right.
Take a sip if you have mocked someone intentionally.
I haven't.
Okay.
Mhm.
I think I will take a sip.
Okay.
Because in my childhood, I think that, हम बहुत बार दूसरों का मजाक इसलिए उड़ाते थे to boost our ego.
Yeah.
या आप खुद को अलग दिखाने के लिए कि लोग आपको वैसा ना बुलाएं, इसलिए
तो
आप
करते हो.
intentionally उनको mock करते थे. तो I have done that and I'm guilty for that.
I haven't. Okay. Moving on. Take a sip if you have ever starved yourself to look a certain way.
I think I have.
Even I have. Now I regret it. The good thing is that I starved, so I can have water now. Okay.
Yeah, we have been speaking for a while.
Yeah.
It's better इस वीडियो पे इतने views आए कि चैनल मोनेटाइज हो
I
जाए.
swear.
So this
Okay.
is my second video on YouTube.
हाँ, फिर मेरे पे डाल देते हैं.
दोनों पे डाल
दोनों
देंगे.
पे डाल देंगे.
Okay, next. Take a sip if you have ever compared yourself to anyone.
Should I drink the whole bottle? All the time.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that all the time.
I think हमारे पास पानी बहुत कम है compared to the
I swear.
sips we have to take.
Yeah.
Next one.
Okay, for me, take a sip if you have ever edited your picture to make yourself look lean before uploading it on social media. मतलब अपने आप को टॉल कर लिया, पतला कर लिया.
No, never.
You've
That
never
I've
done
never done. That I'm very sure.
So many people I know, they've done that. They still do it, and I don't even feel hatred towards them. I just feel bad for them. कि क्या जरूरत है यार, जैसे वो इतने सुंदर हो, इतने बढ़िया लगते हो, क्या जरूरत है करने की. So don't do it, guys.
And
Just
guys,
do it.
इसलिए मत एडिट किया करो. I'll tell you why. क्योंकि पता है लोग ये बोलते हैं, अरे फोटोज में तो ये ऐसे दिखता है, सामने से ऐसे दिखता है.
और फिर यही लोग catfish करते हैं बाकी लोगों को.
Exactly. So it's better जैसे दिखते हो वैसे ही दिखो.
जिसने एक्सेप्ट करना होगा कर लेगा, नहीं करना होगा तो भाड़ में जाए ना यार. Just love yourself.
Okay, next. Take a sip if you miss your childhood.
I think I do.
I don't.
I do it because childhood में ना कोई judgments नहीं होती थी. मैं मिट्टी में भी खेलती होती थी. मैं कुछ भी कपड़े पहन के बाहर निकलती थी और मैं कुछ भी बोलती थी ना तो होता था कि हाँ बच्ची तो है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. But now that thing is not there anymore, and now even whenever you're stepping out of your home is the moment when the judgments start. So I think I miss my childhood a little.
Oh, cute.
Okay. Take a sip if you have boasted your ego by passing a comment who is fatter than you. Not even a comment, but अगर दिमाग में भी ऐसा सोचा हो कि नहीं यार चल ये तो मेरे से मोटा ही है ना, कोई बात नहीं.
No, that I've never done.
I think I've done that couple of times. Your turn.
Take a sip if you fear rejection on the basis of how you look.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
Same.
हाँ. That's sad. Now that I'm drinking it, it's just sad.
अब कितना वो हिट कर रहा है ना.
है ना?
ये पानी है ना.
है तो पानी, but अभी ना वो सोच के पी रहे हैं तो और बुरा लग रहा है.
हाँ कि हमने क्या
क्या करा
किया है
साथ?
अपने साथ. एंड व्हाई. मतलब गाइस अगर आप लोग भी देख रहे हो तो आप लोगों ने मतलब आई होप आपने वो सिप्स नहीं लिए, बट आई एम श्योर मोस्ट ऑफ यू गाइस हैव आल्सो टेकन अ सिप. तो प्लीज मेक श्योर करना इस वीडियो के बाद ना वो गलतियां मत दोहराना जो अब जितनी सिप्स ली हैं.
सही में यार लाइफ बड़ी छोटी होती है. खुश रहना चाहिए, सेल्फ लव करना चाहिए एंड जस्ट एंजॉय लाइफ द वे इट इज. ओके.
दिस इज अ वेरी हेवी पार्ट. हमने सोचा था इट विल बी अ वेरी लाइटर
Yeah.
बट दिस लुक्स द हेवीएस्ट वन.
I swear. Because it's just making me feel bad about so many things that I've done.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Okay, moving on.
Next.
Take a sip if you feel vulnerable about your body at times. ये और heavy हो गया. If you feel
I
vulnerable.
think I
I don't.
would take a sip.
बहुत बार होता है यार. पता है आप कितना भी बोल लो I believe in body positivity, I love how I look, this that, but then there are days when you just sit down and you look at yourself in the mirror and you feel like नहीं यार I don't think I'm good enough.
I'll tell you the major reason of it is बचपन से हमारी लर्निंग वैसे रही होगी, रही है, अब उसको अनलर्न करने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा.
we've grown up with that.
Yeah, so our learning has always been that अब 25 साल का 25 घंटों में या 25 दिन में नहीं बदल सकते हो. So it's a very long journey, but the good part is that we are in that process
We are
of
aware, we know
not
it.
cursing our bodies but loving our bodies, because our bodies are the temple and we need to
worship that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Okay, your turn.
Take a sip if you get conscious while shopping for yourself.
बहुत बार.
I think I will also take a sip.
बहुत बार लगता है यार कि my body is this way और मेरे पे शायद ये अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. I am very conscious about wearing sleeveless. I've never confronted that in front of camera, but बहुत बार लगता है मुझे, especially you open any of my video, मतलब मेरी पूरी lifetime की कोई भी video, you will never see me wearing sleeveless because I'm just conscious for no reason. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कभी कोई बचपन में वीडियो आई होगी जहाँ पे मुझे लगा होगा कि मैं मोटी लग रही हूँ, but this has stayed so much with me that you will always see me very covered. Not that I want to be. I would want to just be very cool in front of the camera.
But conditioning अब वो इतने सालों से
वैसा है कि you will always see me in shirts and blazers and not too short dresses, जो कि usually hosts and presenters पहनते हैं because they have to look a certain way. But अगर मुझे choice मिलता है, I will always wear something that's very covered and covering my body from everywhere, so that मैं कैसे भी कैमरा करके बैठी हूँ मैं conscious ना हूँ. So shopping के टाइम पे तो that always happens कि नहीं यार this is too short, या फिर नहीं यार ये तो बहुत ही sleeveless है, ये तो बहुत ही deep neck है, या पता नहीं इसमें तो मेरी legs मोटी लग सकती हैं. It happens all the time.
It happens with me also because I have a heavier lower body.
Yeah.
So people make sure that they make me notice about my ass, about my big thighs. So it happens generally. But अब इसका solution मैंने ढूंढ लिया है. टेलर मेड कपड़े बनवा.
ये तो यार this is something I should also try. मेरे तो मतलब ब्रांड्स पे नहीं मिल पाता मुझे अपने टाइप का कुछ. Yeah. Okay.
So that's the thing.
Take a sip if. Okay, this is a very good one. Take a sip.
ध्यान से सुनिएगा because मैंने पढ़ लिया है, cheating हो गई है.
Okay, now that he knows it, I'm going to say it out for you guys.
And
Take
this is
a
for
sip.
all of us.
Yes. If you feel comfortable in your body right now.
I feel very comfortable in my body.
I feel comfortable.
इतना comfortable हो कि मैं तो एक glass टूट के
Thanks to people like you who are promoting all of this on social media and who are actually making normal things look normal and not abnormal. मतलब अगर सोशल मीडिया जितना हमें बुरी चीजें दिखा रहा है कि आपको ये परफेक्ट बॉडी चाहिए या आपको ऐसा ही लगना पड़ेगा, there are people like you and so many other people who are also promoting and telling कि नहीं यार जैसे आप हो वो नॉर्मल है, वो ठीक है वैसा लगना, आप अपने ऊपर काम कर सकते हो, you can improve yourself probably in all the aspects when it comes to physical health, mental health and everything else, but at least start loving yourself and start loving your body. तो अपने आप से भी प्यार करो, अपने आसपास वाले लोगों से भी प्यार करो, and please stop bullying people and stop torturing yourself.
Exactly. And on that note, I think Asta and I have shared our insights on body positivity. Thank you very much for watching this. And once again, don't curse your body. Your body is a temple. Worship it.
Yes, and if you believe in all of these things जिसके बारे में हमने बात करी है, don't forget to hit the like button because उससे हमारा वीडियो और लोगों तक पहुंच पाएगा और ये अवेयरनेस और ज़्यादा बढ़ पाएगी. If you're able to relate, let us know in the comment section below. We would love to hear your thoughts, what you guys think about this. और अगर आपके आसपास वो लोग हैं जो ऐसा करते हैं, अपने आप को टॉर्चर करते हैं, they think about their bodies a certain way or they bully people, share it with those people because all we want to do is just spread love for yourself, for everybody else. On that note, I'm Asta Sethi signing off for today, and
I am Fashion LLB. I would like to say a goodbye with Mia. Bye bye. Take care.